Okay, so as you can see, this cup is dirty. I get a lot of questions on how do I clean my complicated glassware. Well, the first thing you do is you don't let it sit overnight with dried beer in it, but then you just rinse it out with clear water. Run it through all the coils. The water will drain out. Then you take your soap. Wash the outside. Rinse it again. So all the water gets out of the coil. And then I use distilled water to eliminate any water spots in it on the inside. So I just shake that around so it displaces any of the other water. And then what you can do too is you can add 70% isopropyl alcohol to get down in the coil if you want. It will help speed up the drying process. Put a little bit of that in there. Run it through the whole cup. Shake it out good. And then I just put it on the rack to dry.